On December 25, 2021, a revolutionary telescope embarked on a journey to peer into the depths of our universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of engineering and human ingenuity, promised to usher in a new era of cosmic exploration. Its mission, to unravel the mysteries of the early universe, study the birth of stars and galaxies, and search for signs of life beyond Earth. The JWST represents a giant leap forward in our quest to understand the cosmos. Its advanced technology and unprecedented sensitivity allow us to see farther and clearer into space than ever before. Imagine a time machine, not one that takes us back in time, but one that allows us to see the universe as it was billions of years ago. The JWST is that time machine, revealing the secrets of the early universe and its evolution. Its observations will help us answer fundamental questions about our place in the universe. How did the first stars and galaxies form? What is the nature of dark matter and dark energy? Are there other planets out there that could harbor life? The JWST is poised to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. At the heart of the JWST lies its most extraordinary feature, a gigantic primary mirror, a technological marvel that captures the faintest light from the distant universe. This golden eye, measuring a staggering 6.5 meters or 21 feet in diameter, is composed of 18 hexagonal segments that unfold and adjust to act as a single giant reflector. Each gold-coated beryllium segment is a masterpiece of precision engineering. Lightweight, yet incredibly strong, they were meticulously crafted and polished to an accuracy of a few millionths of a meter. The segments are designed to work together, moving and adjusting with incredible precision to capture the sharpest possible images. The deployment of this massive mirror in space was a feat of engineering ingenuity. Folded like a giant origami structure during launch, the mirror unfurls gracefully once in space, its segments aligning with pinpoint accuracy. This complex ballet of unfolding and adjustment is a testament to the skill and dedication of the engineers who designed and built the JWST. To detect the faintest whispers of light from the distant universe, the JWST needs to operate at incredibly cold temperatures. This is where the sunshield comes in, a crucial component that protects the telescope from the heat and glare of the sun. Imagine a giant beach umbrella, 5 layers thick, shielding the telescope from the sun's intense rays. The sunshield is made of a special material called kapton, coated with aluminum and silicon to reflect away the sun's heat. Each layer is about the size of a tennis court, and they work together to create a thermal barrier, keeping the telescope's instruments at a frigid -233 degrees Celsius or -387 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme cold is essential for the JWST's infrared observations. Infrared light is invisible to the human eye, but it carries the signature of heat. By blocking out the sun's warmth, the sunshield allows the telescope to detect the faint infrared radiation from distant stars, galaxies, and planets. Section 4, Instruments of Exploration. The JWST is equipped with a suite of cutting-edge instruments, each designed to unravel different aspects of the universe. These instruments act like cosmic detectives, capturing light from distant objects and revealing their secrets. One of the key instruments is the Near-Infrared Camera, or NIRCam. NIRCam is like a powerful set of night vision goggles, allowing astronomers to see through gas and dust clouds that obscure our view of the universe. It will capture stunning images of the first stars and galaxies, revealing their formation and evolution. Another vital instrument is the Mid-Infrared Instrument, or MIRI. MIRI is sensitive to longer wavelengths of infrared light, allowing it to see cooler objects, such as planets forming around other stars. It will also study the atmospheres of exoplanets, searching for signs of water, methane, and other molecules that could indicate the presence of life. The JWST also carries a spectrograph, an instrument that splits light into its component colors, like a prism. By analyzing the spectrum of light from a distant object, astronomers can determine its temperature, composition, and even its motion. Section 5. Unlocking the secrets of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is more than just a telescope, it's a time machine, a cosmic explorer, and a testament to human ingenuity. Its revolutionary capabilities promise to reshape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Imagine witnessing the birth of stars and galaxies, glimpsing the first light that emerged from the darkness of the early universe. The JWST will make these dreams a reality, transporting us to the cosmic dawn and revealing the secrets of our cosmic origins. Its observations will help us answer some of the most profound questions that have captivated humanity for centuries. How did our universe begin? How did galaxies evolve? Are we alone in the cosmos? The JWST has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and inspire generations to come. As we peer into the depths of space and time, we embark on a journey of discovery, a quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos and our place within it. The James Webb Space Telescope is our vessel on this extraordinary adventure, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of the universe and ourselves. Section 6. Journey to the Cosmic Dawn. The James Webb Space Telescope's journey is not just about reaching a destination, it's about the discoveries made along the way. Every image it captures, every spectrum it analyzes, brings us closer to understanding the vastness of the cosmos and our place in it. Its observations will ignite our imaginations, spark new questions, and lead to even more groundbreaking discoveries. The JWST is a symbol of humanity's insatiable curiosity, our drive to explore the unknown, and our quest to understand the universe we call home. As we embark on this cosmic adventure together, let us marvel at the wonders that the James Webb Space Telescope will reveal. Let us be inspired by its discoveries, and let us continue to explore the universe with the same sense of wonder and awe that has driven us since the dawn of civilization.